Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove green screen in Premiere Pro. So regardless of the version of your Premiere Pro, this is how you're going to do it. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and import these two files here. I'm just going to go ahead and put it in here. There you go. So I'm going to add this first in our timeline. Alright, there you go. So this is how it looks right now. So this is just actually a stock video that I just added. Now I'm going to go ahead and add this one here. So I can put this anywhere I want, but say for example if I were to put it somewhere in here, I'm going to go ahead and look for something. So the effect that we are going to be working with today is Gold Ultra Key. So I'm going to go ahead and add this in our subscribe clip, and there you go. Now that we have added it, we're going to go ahead and hit Effect Controls, and we're going to go ahead and scroll down and we're going to look for Ultra Key. This is the one that we have added, so we're going to use this one here. I'm going to go ahead and set the settings to aggressive and click this pen tool here, and I'm going to go ahead and hit this here. There you go. As you can see, it is gone right now. So let's try to see this one. Alright, there you go. Now you can of course adjust this one. As you can see, it's quite big, so we can just go ahead and click this clip here, and we're going to click motion. Now let's try to scale this down. Alright, just like so. So let's try playing it once again. Alright, there you go. As you can see, we have successfully removed the green screen. Congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to remove the green screen in Premiere Pro.